how to use threads from Instagram. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to use threads from Instagram. To start the process, open your Threads application in your mobile device. Now log in with your Instagram account. If you scroll down, you can find many posts on your homepage. Then tap on the search icon. Here you can find many accounts such as celebrities, news channels, and many more. If you tap on the middle icon, you can create your own post. If you tap on the heart icon, you can find your activity. Then tap on the profile. As you can see, this is the main page of your profile. Then tap on the Instagram icon. As you can see, my Thread account link has appeared on the Instagram profile because they are connected. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified for new videos. See you in the next one.